Hello Eco Warriors. I've been posting a lot on my social media about environmental issues and the overuse of plastic, so I wanted to share with you a few of the things that I've changed recently to help the environment and cut down on plastic. So the first one was I got rid of the food animal pouches. These are really convenient and that's why I've been using them, but you can't recycle them. So I've gone back to tins, and it isn't that much harder to do, but we do always go for convenience. So I'm now recycling the tins. The other thing is I'm using the app's tap and refill to find places I can refill water bottles instead of buying water bottles. I do drink a lot of water when I'm out, so I want to find places. So I was in Cardiff the other day at the Secret Garden Cafe, and they're very eco-friendly, but she didn't know about the app, so I told her about the app, so she'll be joining that. So I think just talking to places, businesses as well, and seeing if they will add themselves onto those apps, and the more it becomes available, the more we can get used to refilling instead of purchasing. And I've been testing this out for about 3 months, and this is a cleaning system because I wanted to get rid of cleaning products in the house that were full of chemicals, especially cleaning the oven. So this is really good. So it comes as a pack, productsso, and you get this big box, like a cheap wine box, and you get the bottle to fill from here, so you refill it. Now it comes fragrance free and chemical free, but you can add in fragrances, like to put a bit of frankincense and lemon and maybe some rosemary, so you can change it up, refill it, have it with fragrance or not. And it comes with 3 of these green cloths, which are great, with the funky little scratchy corner. There it is. And it comes with 2 of these, which are really good for dusting, and you can do everything with the cleaning product. I'm not going to go into it. You can check out the website if it's something you are interested to change to, and for £20 that's going to last a long time, so well worth it. They have other kits available as well. So that's the things I have done recently to help the environment, and I will keep looking for things to do. Thank you very much. I hope you found this helpful.